Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to get Optimism on Trust Wallet. For that, you need to simply launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and then on the home page you just have to scroll down and try to search for Optimism. If you're not able to find it on the home page, then you just have to tap on this circle in the top right hand corner of the screen, and now here in the search bar you need to search for Optimism. Now once you type Optimism, you will be able to see OP mainnet. So in order to add it on the home page and in order to get it, you just have to turn the toggle button right next to it. And once it is green, it simply means that you have successfully added it on the Trust Wallet's homepage, and from here you can easily access the options associated with it, like the send, receive, swap, and buy. If you want to get the transaction history as well as the notifications, then you can even use the options that are given in the top right hand corner of the screen of this page. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.
Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro Dream.